Hook, have you ever wondered how to fuel your Kraken wallet? How to get those digital coins flowing? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kraken wallet funding. Context: Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform known for its security and diverse range of cryptocurrencies. But before you can start trading or investing, you need to fund your Kraken wallet. So, let's get started. Method 1. Bank transfer. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the funding section. Select deposit. Choose your preferred currency, e.g., USD, Euro. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate a bank transfer deposit address. Use this address to initiate a bank transfer from your bank to Kraken. Pros and cons. Pros: secure, reliable, and often free. Cons: can take several business days to process. Method 2. Credit or debit card. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the funding section. Select deposit. Choose your preferred currency. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your credit or debit card details. Pros and cons. Pros: fast and convenient. Cons: may incur fees and potential security risks. Method 3. Cryptocurrency deposits. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the funding section. Select deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate a deposit address. Send the cryptocurrency to the generated address from another wallet or exchange. Pros and cons. Pros: fast, secure, and often fee-free. Cons: requires you to already own the cryptocurrency. Additional tips. Security: always prioritize security when funding your Kraken wallet. Use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and be cautious of phishing scams. Fees: be aware of potential fees associated with funding your Kraken wallet. These fees can vary depending on the method and currency used. Processing times: different funding methods have varying processing times. Bank transfers can take several days, while cryptocurrency deposits are often processed within minutes. Currency conversion: if you're depositing a currency different from the one you want to trade, Kraken may convert it for you. Be aware of any conversion fees that may apply. Conclusion: funding your Kraken wallet is a crucial step in your cryptocurrency journey. By understanding the different methods and their associated pros and cons, you can choose the best option for your needs. Remember to prioritize security and be mindful of potential fees. Call to action. Have you ever funded your Kraken wallet? Share your experience in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And don't forget to subscribe for more cryptocurrency tips and tricks. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.